Factory resetting your iPhone can be a great way to troubleshoot issues, erase your data before selling or giving it away, or simply start fresh. This guide provides you with detailed steps on how to perform a factory reset. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Why reset your iPhone? Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand why you might want to factory reset your iPhone. Troubleshooting. Fix persistent software issues or performance problems. Selling, donating. Ensure all your personal data is completely wiped. Starting fresh. Clear out clutter and start with a clean slate. Pre-reset preparation. Before you begin, make sure you follow these preparatory steps to ensure a smooth reset process. Back up your data. Ensure all your important data is backed up to iCloud or your computer using iTunes. Sign out of iCloud. Go to Settings. Your name. Sign out. This will prevent any potential issues with activation lock. Charge your iPhone. Ensure your device has enough battery power to complete the reset process without interruptions. Step-by-step factory reset guide. Follow these steps to reset your iPhone to its factory settings. Open Settings. Tap the Settings icon on your home screen. Go to General. Scroll down and tap General. Select Reset. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. Select this option to erase everything on your iPhone. Enter passcode. If prompted, enter your device passcode. Confirm action. Tap Erase iPhone to confirm that you want to proceed. Wait for process to complete. Your iPhone will restart and display the Apple logo while it resets. This may take a few minutes. Post-reset steps. Once the process is complete, you'll reach the setup screen. Here's what to do next. Set up your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone as a new device or restore it from a backup. Restore data. If you've backed up your data, you can restore it from iCloud or your computer during the setup process. Conclusion. Factory resetting your iPhone can help you resolve various issues and ensure your personal data is secure when passing the device along. Follow these simple steps, and you'll have your iPhone running like new in no time. Feel free to share this guide with others who might find it helpful. For more tech tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below.